Hi, I'm Danielle Desiato, Managing Editor of Kitchen and Appliances here at Reviewed, and today we're reviewing Good Chop. Good Chop delivers meat and seafood that is grown and caught in the U.S., always guaranteed to be free of hormones, antibiotics, and anything else unnatural. Products are vacuum sealed, individually frozen, or in multi-serving portions that are easy to cut apart and thaw. All the products are delivered on dry ice in insulated packaging so that it stays frozen until you're ready to unpack it. And you can store the products in the freezer for up to 1 year. So how does Good Chop work? You can choose from a medium box for $149 a month or a large box for $269 a month and fill it with whatever you would like from 4 categories of chicken, beef, seafood, or pork. Good Chop also makes it very easy to skip, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time. The price per serving depends on the cuts you choose. Things like chicken come 6 6-ounce servings, whereas filet mignon may only come 2 6-ounce servings. You choose 6 cuts of meat per medium box and 12 cuts for the large box. For a family of 4, I've found that the medium box is sufficient and you might not even need a delivery every month. Here are a few things we like about Good Chop. It has a good variety of options. In addition to basics like steak and chicken, Good Chop also offers a variety of seafood, some prepared meats like pulled pork and hot dogs, as well as bundle packs that combine lots of different cuts if you need to stock up for a summer barbecue or a holiday. We also love that you can choose everything that goes into your subscription. Whether you want to keep the same thing every month or change it up, Good Chop makes it very easy to choose different cuts each month or add bundles and other bulk items to your purchase. We also love that Good Chop is a good value. Whether you choose the smaller or larger box size, the price per serving is on par with top quality meat at the grocery store, and you get it delivered to your house. You get high quality American-raised proteins for as little as $3.74 per serving on average. But we found that the price could be even lower when it includes things like burgers, dogs, or bulk packs. All of the products are delicious and high quality. Everything we tried from Good Chop tasted delicious. From steaks and salmon to chicken and cod, everything we cooked up came out great. The cod was tender and never rubbery, which can often be an issue with frozen white fish. We battered it and fried it up for fish tacos. The pulled pork is flavorful enough to be served on its own, but not overly so that you can't douse it with your favorite barbecue sauce. The hot dogs, burgers grilled up beautifully. All of the steaks were well portioned, nicely marbled, and not overly fatty. Flank steaks seared up beautifully. The individual portions are packaged in larger bags and labeled, and then the cuts can be taken out and thawed in individual portions. While we really love Good Chop overall, there are a few things that we didn't like. Since there are only 2 box options, at $149 for the medium and $269 for the large, you're already dealing with a minimum purchase price. So when you choose a premium cut, it adds to the bottom line. It's not a deal breaker since you can choose if and when you want to add premium cuts to your box, but it is important to be aware that it adds to the total cost. Bundles must be add-ons. Sometimes it's really helpful to shop for bundles when you're hosting a barbecue or stocking up on chicken or burgers. But unfortunately, bundles must be add-ons to the monthly subscription. Good Chop offers a variety of different types of bundles, but they don't replace what comes in your monthly box. Recipes aren't included. While Good Chop does provide detailed information about each cut it sells, it doesn't provide cooking suggestions. So if you're unfamiliar with a certain cut, don't shy away from it, but do some research ahead of time so you're confident in how to cook it when it arrives. So overall, the pros are it offers a good amount of variety. You choose everything that goes into your box. It's a very good value. The products are delicious and high quality, and proteins are conveniently packaged. While the cons are premium cuts add to the bottom line, bundles must be add-ons, and recipes are not included. Should you order Good Chop? We say yes. For anyone looking for high quality meat and seafood, Good Chop is an excellent delivery service. For anyone looking to stock their freezer with a variety of high quality meat and seafood, Good Chop is an excellent choice and a great value. For the full review, visit reviewed.com. Thanks for watching.